Kesorkar kalarai ru ban penkai ke senat terekam jong ke Police Accountability Commission katkum ke kendon bahnya pulai jong ke Meghalaya Police Act arajar arpau. Haga balatung yuba Peter Ingti officer IAS bala syongtat kumu chairman balikong VRCM officer IAS bala syongtat kum kidkhot ke commission. Kami kalong ban penklan ya ke rukom terekam bagi jingit clear hapok ketenat pulit.
We need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Shri Peter Ingti, IAS retired as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Sen, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in the government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee.
Kejingelang ketemu menteri jong sarkar celak lanjur banwalami ke report jong ke expert committee halor ke Meghalaya State Reservation Policy hapok ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka ke baranggihat mentah. Leto baan sawan lam ne pensyai ke ni report ha kakat prat dari kurempang arajar arpun rio hak yang Dorbar tauan. Kekenun menteri kelas Shimru ikarai ban priang ya ke Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill arajar arpun rio bag sarkar ke manjur ban Wanrah ikan ke bill bantek lah kami ke jing Lamanjur ban penkala ya kajinglut ne ke revise course na ke bentagi madan bat kita borjingi ne ki aquatic complex ha sauli bat tura. Ban penkrea ya ka national games ka balai kundai ban menjur ban penkrea ya ka reorganization cell syakatenat home political.
So regarding the reservation policy is that just today we have approved that it will be tabled on Wednesday on the floor of the house. So it will be tabled, and so until before that I cannot say anything.